Boom. All right, guys, welcome. This is Dr. Juliman, okay? In this short video, we're going to be discussing acid and basic buffer. In fact, buffer solution. What is a buffer solution? All right, you find that in Chem 101, acid, bases, and salts to be precise. A buffer solution is simply a solution that is resistant to pH. A solution that prevents a solution from becoming acidic or basic when exposed to the atmosphere. That you refer to as a buffer solution. This water you see may become buffer or may become resistant to pH if and only if I add a buffer solution to it. It will neither be acidic nor basic when an acid or a base is added to it. That you refer to as a buffer, okay? However, there are three basic types of buffers. You have the acid buffers, you have the basic buffer, you even have the salt buffer, okay? Though you may not see salt buffer in your textbooks, but it's factual. So the acid buffers, how are they prepared? They are prepared by mixing weak acids with their conjugate bases, right? While basic buffers are prepared by mixing weak bases with their conjugate acids, all right? And their conjugate acids are referred to as bases as well. So this is how you prepare acid buffers and basic buffers. Example of acid buffers. Ethanoic acid is a weak acid. So when you react ethanoic acid with maybe sodium hydroxide to produce sodium ethanoate, sodium ethanoate and ethanoic acid forms what we call a buffer. In other words, acid buffer. As for a basic buffer, you can have example like ammonium chloride or ammonium hydroxide, for example, or let me just say ammonium chloride, okay? Ammonium chloride is now the salt part, while ammonium plus maybe HCl, ammonium is a very weak base reacting with maybe an acid, as the case may be, to give you ammonium chloride. So that you can also refer to as a basic buffer. But all you need to know about basic buffers and acid buffers is the fact that they are resistant to pH. Exam question: when you dilute a buffer solution with so much water, what do you think will happen to the pH of that buffer? Will it increase, decrease, or remain the same, or have an insignificant effect? That's an assignment for you to answer. Boom. Thanks for watching this short clip. I am Dr. Julian. Whoa.